So what will you cover today? Excel dashboard, and we'll cover pivot table like pivot chart. Completely, I'll give you the details from scratch. How to build a multiple pivot table, multiple pivot chart. Then we'll build a report, then build a dashboard, adding slicer. We'll understand the 360-degree of your data. All right, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So first write the definition.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you see the screen? Write the definition. Start from here to here. Quickly. Just write this line. Make a big heading in your notebook. What is pivot chart? Okay. So, like last yesterday, what we finished, Nikhil?
Sir, we have completed about the pivot chart, sir. How to
Pivot,
use it?
what we cover? Anusha?
Pivot chart.
Pivot table, sir.
We finished yesterday pivot table, not pivot chart. So, what is pivot table? And why it is important when you are managing the data?
Sir, it is used to summarize the data in a list by totaling sets
Summarize
of
the data.
entries.
Very nice. It is summarize the data.
Data.
In same thing, we're doing a SQL database. Is a which SQL command?
Sir, aggregate functions.
SQL group by and
By
aggregate
clause.
function
Aggregate
to
function.
summarize the data. Maybe as I told, SQL, what we are doing, even same thing you are doing Microsoft Excel. There we are doing programming. Here without programming, we are doing summarize the data, grouping the data, okay, giving an insight, providing to the business leaders. So similarly, when you are building a pivot table, okay, so how to build a pivot table? Who can say?
Sir, we have to select the table and go to insert and
First,
click
you
on.
select all the data,
Yeah.
okay, or a data range. Then we'll go to insert, then
You go-
pivot table. So you want to represent data salary by country. You drag a row into country and a value into salary. If you see the total salary is 4,81,000, but country wise, if you see that representing the data. Even same thing we can do it in Microsoft SQL, correct? But when
Yes, sir.
these are the very less amount, like data is 30 record, that is fine. Even 4-5 countries fine. When data is huge, data huge mean it is like a 1 lakhs record, 5 lakh record, 100 countries data. If you represent here, is that in the director level, that business leader, those who are not even a technical person, they can see this mathematical presentation, visualization will be understandable more accurately. You are sending, suppose you think this data you are sending to your boss, your head of a direct organization. They don't have such a time to see that pivot table, correct? So how can you solve
Yes,
those
sir.
things? How can you represent the data? Anybody, anytime, within a fraction of a time, they can, clearly they understand the graph and chart and they take the action. What is that? That is coming pivot
Charts.
Chart.
chart.
Charts.
Okay. Pivot chart. Pivot chart is what? What is telling pivot chart? By
Visual representation.
Graphical representation of data.
graphical representation of a data. Or another way, what we can visualize, analyze the data. In SQL, how do you analyze the data in SQL?
Tables.
Programmatically analyze the data. But in Excel, additionally, What we are doing? Visually analyzing the data. Anybody's asked what is the difference between Microsoft SQL and Excel? In SQL, what we do? Programmatically analyze, and in Excel, we visually analyze the data. Correct. What do you mean by visually? What is a visualization?
Graphs and
Okay.
also
Graphical method, sir.
charts and all.
When somebody is
Chart.
asked with data visualization, what do you mean that?
Yeah, the data output will see in the like different type of chart, like bar chart, column chart.
With the help of
That
chart,
is
we can
called a
represent the data.
Pictorial representation of a
Pictorial
data.
representation.
Okay, of a data visualization. If you talk about a Tableau, talk about Excel, talk about a Looker, talk about ClickSense, there is 100+ tools available who use for a data visualization, including even Python. Okay, they represent the data, correct? But in the same thing, we can do it in a Microsoft Excel. Okay. So
I
let
can
us
ask.
see. Yeah, let us see how to build a data visualization in Excel. So when you have data, before doing data visualization or pivot chart, what is the first step? What will you do first? So first you need to build a pivot
Table.
Chart.
Pivot table.
Table.
Can you directly do pivot chart?
No, we need a table for it.
No, we can do it.
You
We can do it. But data will be not a meaningful visualization will come to picture. We can do it, but the visualization will be not here. This is our raw data. Okay. So if you see the screen for a data visualization or pivot chart, you go to insert. Okay, under section, if you see, what is that?
Recommended
Chart. So tomorrow, anybody's asked how many charts or graph available in Excel. What you can? How many?
More than 15.
More than 15. Can you write quickly, please, in pen paper? You are maybe today telling 15. Tomorrow you will forget, right? From column to combo, quickly write. So total number of lists, Sumita, how many chart and graph in Excel?
15, sir.
Soumya, total list
16.
16. Column, line, pie, bar, area, and last is a combo. Out of 15, even you can same thing will find any Tableau, Python, any visualization. Slightly he will be here and there. Otherwise, you will find it all the what you can see the graph and chart. Same thing will find it everywhere. Clear, everybody? But really, we all are using all the chart, 15 system chart in our day-to-day life in real time.
Total 70.
Total 70, Sujit. Do you think all 17 we are required to practice? All
No,
70
sir.
is required?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Even you ask me after working this so many years, really how many hardly matters here? 3 or 4, hardly. As you are a data person, hardly 4. What are the 4? 17 will be difficult to remember, correct? Even we can remember, no issue, but out of 17, we need to simplify. We need to filter. Which 4? Who can say?
Column, pie,
Column,
Bar.
line, pie, bar, and scatter.
Histogram also.
Histogram also.
If you ask me, so what I will choose, column, line, pie. These 3, we can do our 85 to 90% our work. If you are the beginner or you are working as a day-to-day life in data visualization analysis, Tableau or Excel or Looker or any visualization tool, that 90% task we are done by column, line, and pie. Bar can be considered. If you reverse column, it will be behave as a
Bar.
bar. Clear, everybody? So that's why
Yes, sir.
you can take this initially 3 or 4 is your make a short list, make a separately that we are going to frequently we are going to use. Maybe sometimes use the histogram, waterfall. They very hardly the people use or some specific project they are going to use.
If everything can be done in Excel, why like companies are using like Tableau, Power BI and all?
Yeah, that's a good question. When everything we can solve by Excel, yeah, of course, if you see 80% organization, they're using Microsoft Excel. Even people are using Tableau, Looker, Power BI, anything. But while presenting the data, the real work, most of people are working 80%, more than 80% people are working Microsoft Excel. Excel se badhiya, best, easy, anybody can use. Tableau for sharing visualization, you need a license. Okay. Similarly, in Power BI, any tool, but in Excel, it is a by default tool for all the computer, correct? And second thing, the main question is that Excel has the limitation of data. Maximum we can, around 10 lakhs of data we can visualization, but data nowadays is huge. Like it can be 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs data record is there, even millions record, billions record is there. In that case, Excel is not going to work. Clear? And so many other features also there, like, better visualization, more attractive designing, configuration is there, more features in the advanced feature in Tableau or other BI tool is there, or visualization tool. Clear, everybody? Okay. So now,
Yes, sir.
the data, yeah, if you see the data, and we build a first what we build, we have a raw data here. And in raw data, we selected and choose that pivot table. And as you see the pivot table, now what is the planning? To build a pivot chart. We need to this pivot, this data, if you're sending to anyone for analysis purpose, maybe 5-6 record is fine. You can easily understand, okay, we have a 5 country and these are the data, like a salary we are paying. But when 300 record is there, or 100 countries there, it will be difficult to sending someone, those who are from senior leader or director, they will be not easy to understand. That's why same things will represent data in a graphical manner. Okay, so how will do? So first we need to build a pivot table, then we'll build a pivot chart. Clear, everybody? So how to build a pivot chart? Wherever you find the pivot table, click here, then go to Insert tab. And if you select here a pivot chart, you find the list of 17 tab. Which one you can choose? Based on that, you can select. So now, first one I will select a column chart. Okay, column chart. So don't ask me technical way. Ask a end user point. You don't know anything technical. You ask me what you want to see here. I'll do one by one, everybody. First, don't think technically way. Don't think technically way. Okay. You ask what you want to changes, where you want to develop, how you want to more beautiful your visualization. Sanket, anybody?
Sir, headers.
What is that?
Header, like the total can be modified into more specific.
Okay, we need to change the subject line, chart title. That we can do. Okay, next question. You can ask
Sir,
question.
bar
we'll-
color.
Very nice. You can change the color.
We
Ujjwala, make a
can
note.
reduce
Ujjwala,
the
make a note.
space.
All the question will solve one by one.
Sir, we can
Okay, sir.
reduce the space between the bars.
Okay, that we can the space
So we can label the bars. I mean, though it
label.
says
Very nice question. Label the data labeling into bar.
Tooltip.
Sir, we can
Like-
remove the line like behind the bar.
Yes, yes, we can make into format. We can change it the line background things. We can change it.
Can we add a filter in this chart like countries?
Yes, we can already by
Already.
default filter is there. Even we can add more filter that we can do. Ujjwala, write this question.
Sir, the axis, we can change the axis.
Yes, we can change it. Yes, we can do it. Okay, let's solve this question first. Then additionally, we'll solve first that header, that name, that this graph or the visualization for what? What is the subject line of the graph? So what we'll do? That is called
Salary
employee,
or salary.
employee salary. Correct.
salary.
So anybody can see the graph. They can easily understand this graph represent to employee and the employee salary. Clear?
Salary.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, I'll go to the color. If you right side tab, you see the plus symbol, okay, and the brush symbol is there. You can change the color. Okay, you can change the color. Even that format is a different design is there, stylus is there. I'll select this black and a background, so it will be more, I think, attractive visualization.
We can set the color as per the salary.
Yeah, yes, yes. You can do anything, but initially, okay, we can. do it. All right, everybody. Employee.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Prachi.
Yeah, can't we do different colors for different bars?
Yes. I'll do it. Make this question note, Ujjwala.
Yes, sir.
Add this question. I'll solve this one. Okay. Now the color change, but someone asked me to display the data. But bar UK, we understand the range is UK is coming 10 to 12,000. Correct? Sorry, 1 lakh to 1,20,000.
Yes,
Okay, but how need to be display the data? Okay, for that what will do? If you go to the plus symbol, data label. If you click here, data label, exact amount. It was you are assuming that, but now if you say exactly 1,15,000, that salary in a UK country we are paying. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next question, like here, if you see that individual color means suppose I want to change this color into specific color. Specific color. I want this one should be red. Can you see the screen? Clear,
Yes, sir.
Panda, clear? How to change a specific color from your graph.
So can you do 1 second, sir?
Okay, so I will do Control Z for undo. Control Z. I'll come outside.
So
Okay.
we have to select
How
the
to
bar
change?
now.
Yes. So the bar, you can see the bar here. Double click the bar, but if you see that that option is showing selected all the bar. No, what you want to want a specific bar. See, now it is showing only specific bar. Yes or no?
Yes,
Specific
sir.
bar.
Yes, sir.
Just double click. Go to the option is a fill and line. Fill and a line. Then you choose which color you want to display. Like I can choose here, okay, black, or you can choose the red color or green, okay, purple, whatever you want to, you can change the color. Even I can change one more. I will show you. It is selecting all the bar, but I want to see only specific bar, Dubai. Just if you see, only it is showing selected Dubai. Then go to fill and color. Okay, specific color and a data label. Clear, everybody? Next question was a size. What is that? Size.
Size.
How can I change format? Go to can you see the screen here, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, size, increasing, decreasing the size.
So do we have to do right click and then select this?
Yes. One more time, I'll show you. You just click anywhere the series, format data label, okay, or what is that? Format data art, I know, data series. If you say series overlap, gap with the gap, okay, gap with.
So, sir, we have to click on like bar, right side. Then we
Correct.
have to click right.
Correct, correct.
Oh, yes.
So the
Okay.
letters are looking very thin, like the data it is given in visualizing table, 14,000, 1,20,000.
Correct.
Can we do little, I mean, bold or something?
Yeah, letter design, we can do it.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Even you know, in data label below also you can do it. Exactly in top also you can see the country and the data also that we can represent. And coming to the one more question was pending, that how to make a data filter in that graph. If you see the left side screen, country is there. Okay, you can apply here. Suppose I want to compare UK and USA. I want to compare. Can you see the screen? At comparison, data filter in graph. Where you'll do the left side corner. Clear, everybody? Any other things is there? Other thing you want to change?
Sir,
Don't worry.
background-
This is a first
background light.
graph. We are going to building more than 6 to 7 graph. So meanwhile, we'll clear all your doubts. Yeah.
So sum of salary we can do like country, like filter.
What is that?
Like country, we can filter sum of salary also.
Move to filter. Check. Okay. Suppose above than you can, you know, try.
We need to change it in pivot chart. Pivot table, sorry.
More option. Ascending countries. It is showing like if you want to display the data, okay, ascending, descending also, that we can do here, or you can do it in. Can you see the screen here? Small to large. Here, small to large, or large to small. Okay, we need to change the currency. It is a no currency swing, but we need to show either a USD or a UK or Indian currency. How will do?
Select the data first. Okay, then go to
Then
the graph.
text
Yeah.
option, yeah.
Yeah, then go to number.
Okay, in text option is there.
Number
Then we'll
only.
last all the last number.
Okay.
Number
then
section
change
will find it
gender
at general or
to
currency.
Yeah.
You have to select here symbol. Which symbol you want to? Like here, I want to USA, USD, select USD change. All right, everybody. So got idea how to build your graph and with the different color, different designing, sorted with the data, ascending, descending, adding different tab. Okay, I hope you clear. So don't worry, a few more visualization we are going to build so that you will get a clear picture. All right, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you completely got idea how to build a Excel chart. Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. So now same thing, we are going to build our dashboard. Okay. So what is dashboard? Who can say? What is dashboard?
The collections of chart.
Hmm?
You guys.
So
Collection
that
of
we
chart.
can get a lot of insights for our data.
Sir, it's a complete report of visualization with many graphs and charts.
Tomorrow you are attending interview. Tomorrow anybody will ask you, what is dashboard? What is your answer? Anyone?
So information, various information displayed in a visual way or summarized visual way.
Sir,
Yeah, where we can see the insights inside
graphical
of data.
representation and processing of data.
Graphical representation processing data. But what is the difference between report and dashboard?
Dashboard
can say?
collection of report.
Dashboard
is interactive.
Pictorial presentation.
So in dashboard, you can sort the data, like whatever you want the report, you
Sir,
can just go to that option and sort the data.
it
Dashboard
provides a
is a
summary.
So dashboard is easy to read information.
Vidya Sriraj, tell me, what is the difference between report and dashboard?
I think dashboard is summarizing all the data in the single place. In chart form.
Mr. Jitendra, आप
Yes, sir.
क्रिकेट मैच देखते हो, करेक्ट?
ज्यादा नहीं देखता सर.
हाँ, थोड़ा भी देखते हैं. इंडिया में ऐसा कोई नहीं कि जो क्रिकेट नहीं मैच नहीं देखता है, एक्सेप्ट रंजन सर. मैं कभी नहीं देखता हूँ क्रिकेट मैच. लास्ट मेरा 7 के बाद, मैंने 8 के बाद मैंने कभी क्रिकेट मैच नहीं देखा. Okay. So Akshay, so anybody will ask you what is the difference between report and dashboard. So take an example, cricket match. In right side TV, with the TV screen, that one
Yes,
is
sir.
coming now option like India 300 by 8 and Pakistan 3 by divided by 9. Like that option is coming. India Pakistan
Yes,
match.
sir.
Yes, sir.
That is called a what? That is report or dashboard.
Report. Detailed documents are there.
Anybody? That is called report. Yeah, dashboard.
Report,
sir.
So that is
The dashboard it is.
Dashboard.
Dashboard,
That
sir.
is called
Dashboard,
a
sir.
dashboard. Summarize the data. Subject line is there. But if you click that India icon, you'll be shown the details about the players. Correct? 11
Yes, sir.
players, how many matches they, what are the age, how they made us, how many sixes, how many four, okay? Details
Concrete
about the completely picture. So similarly, in dashboard and report is describing the details. Dashboard is like, summarize overview of your data, okay, report, and you want to whatever. And here in Excel, we want to build a dashboard. To building a dashboard, what is the things required? What are the things required for building a dashboard?
Sir, raw data, first of all.
Raw data.
Quotes.
We have a raw data, correct?
Yes.
Next.
Requirements, what we want to see.
Exactly. Very good answer actually. Requirement. मतलब data we have, correct? No doubt. But क्या करना चाहते हैं डेटा के साथ? ये सबसे मैटर है. Correct.
Based on requirement, we need to create pivot table.
सब लोग बोलते हैं कि डेटा डेटा, अरे डेटा ठीक है, और डेटा को how will represent that data based on the requirement, you can do it. All right, everybody. So let us see.
Yes, sir.
Let us build a dashboard. And before building dashboard, what required? Multiple report. Combination of a report is called a
Dashboard.
dashboard. But in some visualization tool, you will beat confusion. Don't worry. This is I'm specific talking about a combination of a Excel report is called a dashboard. Okay. And for a combination of a report and making interactive, then that is called, who is helping? Slicer. So we have a raw data. Okay, if you see the employee data, it is contain around 31 record. Okay, in this data, we are going to build a dashboard. All right, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So first we need to build what? Multiple pivot
Chart. Yeah, table.
No.
Tables.
First you are building multiple pivot table, then multiple pivot chart, then you are doing slicer, then will be connection slicer, then it will, we can say it dashboard. Clear, everybody?
Dashboard. Yes, sir.
Yes. So you can follow me. Okay. Alisa, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, selecting the data, going to insert pivot table range, select data. I will go for new or existing. I will go for new, and the new sheet name is called what? My employee dashboard. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Employee dashboard. So we are going to multiple pivot chart. I have multiple pivot table. So we'll go with a salary by country 1. Okay. Again, I need a, okay, this one I'll hide it. It is not required now. So we have a data. Again, I'm going to select insert tab. Again, I'm selecting pivot table. What will do? New or existing this time, everybody? Existing, because we want to build here itself. सब कुछ यहाँ पे करना चाहते हैं. So उसका नीचे भी हम कर सकते हैं. And okay.
Sir, you clicked on a new.
Existing.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Existing, selecting. Okay.
You have to unselect from.
Just a minute. Let me select the data. Pivot table. Existing. Here. Yeah. Something was there. No problem. So again, we will go to represent the data. Salary by department. That's fine. We'll do for 3 to 4. Similarly, we'll go to select the data. Minimum 3 to 4 pivot table we are building. Pivot table, existing. Go to my dashboard sheet. Click here. Select. Then we'll go for designation by size. Okay. Designation by size. One more we can build. Which one, Karthik? Sundar,
Gender.
we can add, yeah, see the data. We are going to insert pivot table. Yes, very good. We can exist, we can select it. Here, we can gender by salary, we can represent. Or we can do it in country, gender,
Country, yes.
country wise gender also, we can do it. See? Okay, that is also very meaningful information so that people HR can take the decision which country the gender wise it is represented.
So what is our requirements like?
We can change. I need to change. I see.
Sir, output name.
Sorry.
Put names in the value, it will count.
What is that?
Sir, I'm asking you to put the
Actually, 4 pivot table.
Yes, 4.
So now we'll start pivot chart. Where you'll build a pivot chart? On top of it, click, then select insert. Go to insert tab and choose here which graph and chart you want to. I'll select this bar chart. Okay, this is. Let me change the style. I always like this black color. Okay. I'll change some colors. And if you see the screen here, there is two, area. One is without increasing the whole graph, the internal graph size you can change. Can you see the
Yes,
entire graph not change, but internally the size of a bar is increasing. This two area is there. You can decrease, increasing here. All right, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is called what?
Salary, employee salary.
Yeah, employee salary by
Country wise salary.
country, country wise salary. Okay? Country wise salary. And the data we can add here. Data label. Similarly, we can go for a department, select, go to insert, chart, any chart. You can go for pie chart or bar chart, line chart, whatever you wish. Again, I'll go for maybe column chart. Data label, increasing the size. Background change. This graph I will make outside. This is called department.
Department.
Okay, department salary. We can change the background designing part. All right. Next. This is called designation. Insert I'll select here.
Line chart.
Column is the best one.
Yes, done. You can select pie also, no issue. Pie, you can go third one.
Pie will be better in male female.
Yes. Designing change. Data label. Okay, color change. Can increase this size. Last one.
Their designation was
Gender.
Yeah. We'll change it. Whatever record, we'll change it. We can go to
Pie chart.
Histogram.
Yes, a pie chart will look good for gender.
no. This is a perfect for what? This one we can delete also. Okay. This one we can change it. This is perfect for
Shall I prepare now?
mute mic.
Yes, sir. For comparison, like
Yeah, comparison it is perfect.
Yes, sir.
Change. Okay, the all right. You see here scale. You know, if you see the USA has a male and female, both are equal. UK only what? UK country. They have only female. There's no male.
Female.
Japan, both male and female. Male is 3. Sorry, unknown 3, and female is 2. India only male. Dubai also male. There's no female. It will be easy to catch. Clear, everybody?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
So, this one we can go for maybe line. Some color if you want change. Data label. Okay. I want to change color a little bit. Okay. All right, everybody.
Yes, sir.
That country-wise salary we can make into what? We can change in it. What do you want to change, everybody? The paragraph
Pie chart.
or any
Pie
pie?
chart.
I think so. We need to can change it. There is no hard and fast rule. Change kar sakte hain. It will be more, see, it is more interactive. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Country-wise salary, even Satyam.
Yes, sir.
We can also ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं केक जैसा ओके नॉट
Yes.
ऑल इवन सिंगल पीस केक चाहिए तो सुमित को हम दे सकते हैं Sumit, this cake is for you for your birthday. Okay? ऐसे भी हम कर सकते हैं so डेटा लेबल हो गया okay. Okay, your view is there. What else you want to see the changes? Any color combination, anything? Even you can do it. Already we learned how to then put into proper format, color, designing, currency. We can change anything, but the solid, pivot table, pivot chart is ready. This is not at a dashboard. Correct, everybody? This is a dashboard yet? No, it's not completed.
No,
What
sir.
required?
No.
First a pivot table, first a raw data, then we are from raw data building pivot table. Then what we done? Pivot chart.
Chart.
This is called, we can call it a one reports. Exactly. This is all our reports. Reports are presented in graphically by graph or by charts or by pivot table. But what is our objective here? Our objective build here
To make a dashboard.
interactive dashboard, not a interactive dashboard. To building a salary interactive dashboard, we need a slicer. If you go to the insert section, you can see here everybody slicer. But see, the option is disabled. Why it is? Anybody can tell me? Most of the beginner, I see the 1,000 people, though the first time they're building dashboard, they will tell you, yeah, my computer is not working. They'll call to some senior, they again search in YouTube. Why? Anybody can figure out why the option is disabled? Slicer is option is not coming. Rekha, Vinod.
We need to select the table.
We have not selected the pivot table.
Exactly. If you see my mouse point, I selected the data range here, then I selected slicer. Most of students do the mistake, they're building a dashboard. So you have to select anywhere, either in pivot table, pivot chart, inside the box, not outside the box. If you select anywhere, see here, slicer option is coming. Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mr. Ram, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
So the Excel is telling you have these many options: ID, name, department, designation, salary, gender, country. Out of 4, why this option is coming? Why other or name is not coming? If you based on 4 report and a 4 graph and 4 chart and 4 pivot table and 4 pivot chart, the option is coming. You need to select. Why you want to choose? Why you want to select? These are the filter option. Suppose while presenting your data, this is the employee data, you are HR manager, you are sales people, sales manager or sales coordinator, you're presenting your data in your meeting. You can say, hi, everybody, see my dashboard and report. Some manager will ask, like Mr. Satyam Pandey, can you show me only country India? Somebody is telling, hey, I'm from marketing department. Can you choose my department only? Somebody is telling, can you choose only GTI finance department? Somebody is telling, show me the list of employee who are getting more than to 80,000. Lab season chal raha hai na? Correct? Huh?
Yes,
They
sir.
need to filter. They need to take a decision. See, don't think technical. Think user point of view. आम आदमी जैसे सोचो कि why I need this slicer? Why I'm building this dashboard? What is the purpose of this work? These are employee data, okay? Or it can be sales data, it can be marketing data, it can be finance data, any data. You should not care about the what type of data. Yeah, of course, you need to understand the domain. But you build any dashboard, but you think not a technical point, think a common man, think, common man, कि मैं क्यों बना रहा हूँ, कौन इसको use कर रहा है, who they are going to use, okay? What is the purpose of the dashboard? So you got to know this HR. HR is presenting that HR meeting, the annual meeting, quarter meeting, or that employee performance time, or layoff time also. Layoff is going on season, okay? So you are selecting the salary is getting more than 80,000. उनको हमें analysis करके रखेंगे या नहीं रखेंगे जितेंद्र जी, हम देखेंगे, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I can choose. You tell me, Rekha or Sumit, Akshay Nair. Tell me which one I can select. You can select all the options, or you can select by filter. Suppose Akshay Nair is the head of Dubai. Obviously, you will ask question. Mr. Suppose Rekha is presenting. Rekha is HR manager. Akshay, hey, Rekha, can you present my country data? When she is asking, see, think common man. Okay, Rekha पूछ रहा है कि country data चाहिए, तो obviously country. Somebody say gender दिखाओ, क्योंकि all the company they are equally gender ratio, they want to hire the employee. Gender चाहिए, salary lab के लिए salary चाहिए, salary more than to 80,000, 60,000, और those who are getting less, we need to increase. Department भी ले सकते हैं, designation भी ले सकते हैं, but I am taking only for this time, correct?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, insert slicer, from where we collect the data, or it shows all the column name into that, or like whatever the data we have made in pivot table, they
No,
show
based
that
on the
column.
based on the pivot table and also the column also based on that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So now I added, this is called what, everybody?
Slicer.
Slicer. Slicer. So take it the right side, it will more visualize, more attractive. Okay. So these are the department one. Then we'll go for gender. So you can minimize a little bit because space required on that. Okay. Then it's called country. Okay, next is it. Next, salary. Okay, this is a salary. And need to be make more colorful, more attractive. How will do? Will be more colorful. It will look nice. Okay, this color, this color. Okay, you are doing data visualization. You need to visualize, attractive. Audience can catch. You added slicer in this dashboard, employee dashboard. What till now added? We have raw data. From raw data, we build pivot table,
table,
then pivot
chart,
chart, then we build a
slicer.
slicer. Do you think this dashboard is ready? No. The dashboard yet not ready. It looks like a dashboard, but it is not an interactive dashboard. What do you mean by interactive? Who can say?
We need to make connection with slicer and graph.
Interactive dashboard. Interactive means if you're selecting here only female. If you see the screen, everybody, only one graph is changing. Correct. Remaining, suppose if you select a female, as you know, we have 5 countries, but 3 countries we don't have any female or 2. Correct, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Related to the data, it should be changed the graph, but graph is not changing. That is why this is not a interactive dashboard. But how to build an interactive dashboard? Who can say?
Sir, by connecting a slicer to the graph, sir.
By connecting
slicer to the graph. So
we call it report connection. What do we call? Report connection. How will do report? Select here. You can find a option. Where?
View.
Designing.
Add chart element, sir.
1 minute. Need to connect. There's a new Excel option. This is a new laptop. Earlier I was doing another. Where is that chart? Connection report. Connection.
Sir, you can go to home and search what you want.
No. I want to connection the report.
Yes, sir. In home, you can type what you want. They'll ask.
Yeah.
In yours, it is not a main.
That's why the computer. You might be from your computer is showing different option. My computer, even this version, latest version is I'm opening 10 days back. I earlier not done a dashboard, so you'll find mostly
So
design.
Slicer, there should be the report.
Yeah, it should be here.
Yeah.
Earlier, if you see your laptop, you might be find there. Correct.
This is Windows 11, right?
Yes. That's why view. That's okay. We can data connection report should be visualized. Any option is coming connection report.
So in data, I saw connection, like I read in data.
In data, what is that?
Connection as queries and connection. It is query and connection. No, it is query and connection.
No. That is called. Okay, can you see the screen? Yeah. So if you see to connect that is not an interactive dashboard. To making an interactive dashboard, you have to right click in any slicer. Any slicer, right click. If you find here report connection, but earlier version or even current, you are watching this video, you can find designing or you can connection report, you will find here itself. But here if you see report connection mean how many report we have, everybody?
4.
If you see 1, 2, 3, we need to connect each other. Okay, click. Okay, now we can call it. This is a
dashboard.
This is called interactive dashboard. This is called a interactive dashboard. So now
There is no option for bonus also.
okay. So how to change the background color? go to the format, the cell. Which color you like? This is fine. Anybody can suggest me?
Format cells.
Which one?
Gray.
Gray.
Gray one, sir.
Gray.
First column, third one. Second one or third one.
Third
First
one.
column. This
Third
one.
one. Third one.
Third one. First
Third
column.
Left side.
Yeah.
That looks nice. Let's see, making into full screen. Okay, this looks awesome dashboard. Anything else you want to see? We added one cube HR dashboard, added the background color. Okay, what else you want to see, everybody? You can ask me. I'll change. I think this looks fine.
Yeah, so we can hide formula bar too, like from that arrow. So it will.
Yeah. This new version, where you'll find?
You just have to drag it because you dragged it earlier to expand it. So drag
Yes,
it.
yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I need to little bit reduce the size. Reduce the size. Okay.
There is additional one thing we can do. In view,
Which
we
one?
have in view, we have this address bar option. If you uncheck that, the formula bar, sorry, the formula bar also will go off in view.
Yeah, that old version it was easy, but now it is not. It's not easy. You did not done practice actually. Where it is?
In view, under view.
In view.
Yeah, formula bar. There should be option. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
it. Even
formula
heading also you can remove. Uncheck that.
Yes, no, heading is fine. So your dashboard is finally ready, HR dashboard.
Yes, sir.
It can be HR dashboard. If you change, it is, you just change the name, some column name, it will be behavior, sales data analyst, sales dashboard. If you change heading, finance dashboard, and few column, you can change it. You can for a patient data, you can HR data, sales data, marketing data, company data, even you are into grocery things or any business, you just change the name and check the few column data, you can build your nice dashboard. This is ready, solid dashboard. Anybody want to see? You can check here. I want to see the entire female, where they present. You see? Okay. Can
Yes, sir.
anybody tell still not changed? What
Sir,
we
we
done?
have to make
Yes.
connections for all the
Initially what we done, connection report for one, but now connection report for all the slicer. Right click, connection report. If you see, this is empty. See, this is empty. We need to click all the tab, all the slicer, and connect all the connection report. Okay, so connection report, all four slicer is now connected. Your dashboard is finally ready. Suppose while presenting, like, hi everyone, I'm a HR head. I'm going to present my HR data. I'm a XYZ company. As you see, we are as you see the first dashboard, our report, we are running, our business is running 5 countries: Dubai, India, Japan, UK, USA, and we have these many departments, and we are running the countryside here by gender wise. If comparing this graph, this report is telling about our gender, this is telling our designation. Suppose while presenting your data, some HR manager or stakeholder from any department head, they want to see. Somebody is asking, can you display only India head? As you know, there is all country has a head. India head is asking, hi Rupa, can you show that India data? If you see, I selected only India. India has out of 7-8 department. India only has presented 4 department out of similarly 15-20 designation. India has only these many designation is available, and India there is no female, and India has only male. That count is 7, and we are contributing every month the salary is 80,000 to India. So I don't want to again India. I want to change another country head asking, can you give my data? UK country data. These are the designation available. These are the department belongs to UK. These are the UK salary you are expending every month, and these are only female. Present 6 female is presented about your country. This is a complete dashboard, complete information, completely employee data. You can take the decision. Somebody want to decide. As I told, this layoff season is going. Suppose any country, you're a CEO, director, or HR head want to lay off 100 employee or 10 employee or 5 employee. They want to say which employee are getting highest salary. Suppose as you see here, people are getting 45,000. 16,000. So now from starting 5,000 to up to how much, everybody?
45,000.
45,000. Suppose I want to see who is getting above 45,000. Okay. These many, you can see here both 40 and 50. So these are very risky employees. I selected 40, 50. 40, who is getting? All these employees are getting 40 and how much? 50. These two salary are present in which department? GTA and Science Software. What the designation? HR बोलेगा भाई मेरा VP क्यों निकालना पड़ेगा क्या? ये नहीं, उसको हटाओ. ये मैनेजर को हटाना पड़ेगा. And they are present in Japan and UK. UK तो हम हटा नहीं सकते. जापान में जो है उसको हटा सकते हैं. Getting my point, everybody? Nicely, it is giving clear picture. Anybody want to any question? You can ask me. Your dashboard is ready. If change this dashboard name as sales dashboard, marketing dashboard. But you have to change some internal few column so that you can get you can build a solid dashboard. Anybody, any question you can ask. Any question? Okay, so this dashboard is ready. You're you are ready to share to colleague, your anyone. So if you have any question, you can ask me. Even this dashboard, you can change the header, HR sales data analyst, marketing data analyst. You can put into operational data analyst, finance, HR, anything you can do. The process will be completely same. Only data or column name will be different. Agree with me, everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
Even now, the next is what? Dashboard is ready. You are presenting, your dashboard is perfectly working. You want to share this dashboard. If you right side screen, if you see that option is there, sharing. You want to share by cloud, you can share, or the nice thing if you see here, okay, the nice thing about that dashboard, this new feature is coming, Excel workbook by through email or through PDF. Can you see the screen? You can convert into PDF and you can share this dashboard, or you can mail this dashboard. If you're sharing, mail this dashboard. It's as same as a Tableau and a Looker, Power BI, or anything. Or I can go to, because why it is not responding, because I did not log in. Which one? DataGyan Outlook, driver. Cloud I did not open. That's why it is even second things. You can do it converted to image format. This dashboard you can convert into image format and put it in your social media or put in your Facebook.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Just a minute. Yeah, your dashboard is ready by image format. That this is way you can do. Or if you right click here by save as, okay, save as desktop. If you go desktop and you can see here option, everybody. There's so many PDF option is there.
Yes, sir.
Text, okay, or is image format will be there. You can save this one.
Will the connection work in PDF?
Yeah, it will work PDF nicely. Yeah.
Great.
You can see.